Hey, what's up? I was worried I was going to sandbag the demos, but don't worry, everyone. Steven just joined backstage. Um, I actually have two. Depending on how long Steven's goes, I might try to reboot my server, but otherwise, I will do the second demo as just a recorded video and drop it in the product channel. Basically, the second demo is demonstrating simple totals on stacked measure charts, which has been a long-standing ask. So, got that out in a PR now. Okay, on to my main demo. Children of the 80s will understand this screenshot. Rob and I were trying to take the Cartesian viz, specifically the Vega viz, to Ludacris speed, maybe even reach plaid. We'll see. Okay, so basically what we're doing is this is very behind the scenes. We demoed this a couple weeks ago, but we're starting to push rendering of our viz into a worker thread, which basically just allows us to process really large amounts of data without interrupting the UI. So this is pretty much the same demo I gave a couple weeks ago. The big difference here is behind the scenes, there were a number of bugs, and we ultimately decided that the only real way to address those bugs was to basically patch the library we're using, which is a pretty complicated process. And just because of like the speed that we want to deliver these features, we've also forked all of the core library along with all of its core dependencies, so that we can continue to just push these features out at a pretty rapid pace. So what you're seeing here is being driven by all of that fork work. And you can see down here, like the main issue on this dashboard is this chart is rendering something like north of 50,000 rows. So just like a huge amount of data, and it's not blocking resizing at all. And then the other fun bit is there are two fun bits here. One is this mechanism was not compatible out of the box with Firefox. And so specifically when we had labels on charts, they just straight up broke. And now you can see they don't break anymore. So we fixed that bug. And then the other real fun one is we actually discovered a browser bug. So we're filing this with Firefox directly. But you'll notice that Firefox, it might not come through in the video, but as I move and resize the page, these charts flicker. And so we discovered a really very low level browser issue that just seems to be systemic. It's easy to reproduce even outside of our app. And so we're going to follow that with them. And I think the goal for now is to get this work out behind a beta flag. Enable it for customers who are interested in trying it out, with the caveat that there is this core bug on Firefox that needs to get fixed before that flickering behavior can be remedied. But otherwise, yeah, it works pretty well. It's pretty fast, and it's nearing the finish line for sure.